Hey guys, welcome back to Waka Waka. Today I'll be showing you how to make a no-sew DIY face mask. What you'll be needing are an old t-shirt, something clean and germ-free, and 2 pairs of rubber band. This is actually a t-shirt that was given to me. I never wore it because it has a stain in the middle. I have just cut out from the top part to the bottom, and this is what I have here. The measurement that I have is 20 inches by 16 inches, and where I got the idea for this DIY was from Instagram. While I was scrolling through my feed, I saw Jidena, a Nigerian American artist, demonstrated the no-sew mask, and I thought of bringing it to you since it can be done at home without requiring a sewing machine. You have your material already laid out. What you want to do next is to fold your fabric inwards and fold the other end too, and a third fold covering the first and the second fold. For the elastic, I couldn't find a rubber band, so I recycled these strings which I tied together. You bring in the loop from one side of your folded fabric and you repeat the process for the other part. Flip the excess fabric inwards and repeat for the other side too. And this gives you a face mask already with several protective layers. So that's the no-sew DIY face mask. Hope you guys will try it at home. I'll put it on and you'll see what it looks like. A side note though, this took me less than 5 minutes to make, even faster than when I made the DIY sewn face mask. This is what it looks like.
What we do here is go back.
Otis.
Stay safe everyone, stay at home and practice social distances, and see you in my next vlog. Bye.